join me inside my writing yurt. Come on. So I have a question from Mika, Mika W. And she asks how to think about topics for an essay. And I think it looks like she watched one of the videos on our YouTube channel in which I describe one of the ways to think about writing an essay is to think of a question. And it says, could you say more about this? That's what she's asking. So here's a brief synopsis of my theory or my approach to writing essays. One of the ways we think about writing essays is to write it about something, about some topic. So for instance, you know, it's springtime, maybe we want to write about songbirds and the songs that they sing. So the topic of the essay could be songbirds. And then you'd research about songbirds, and then you'd write an essay about, well, songbirds are like this, songbirds are like that, etc., etc. It's a perfectly acceptable approach. However, the approach that I was suggesting, Mika, in my my video is that a way to take your essay writing to the next level is to think instead of a question. And this question should be a question that you yourself would like to know the answer to. For example, why do songbirds sing in the morning rather than the afternoon? There's a question somebody might have about songbirds. Or here's another question. Why do some birds sing very elaborate songs and other birds sing very simple songs or no songs at all? Now notice how these questions give us a way to focus our essay onto some specific line of inquiry. And this question focuses both our process of researching our essay and our process of writing the essay. So, for instance, if I want to ask, why do songbirds sing in the mornings and not in the afternoons? Well, then I would go and I would do research. I'd look at books. I might look online. I might ask people who know about songbirds and come up with an answer. Then that answer becomes the subject of my essay. In other words, the essay is the answer to my question. Then the essay takes on not only the tighter focus of the question that was asked, but it also brings with it the energy that you might have about wanting to know the answer to that question. The more excited you are about the question that you want to ask, the more interesting your essay will become.